No, I don't have you.
No.
Oh my god.
No, I'm like zoomed into him.
Yeah, me too.
Oh.
I'm right there.
I let him in. What is he doing?
Let him do it. Fuck him.
His fucking door locked. He's just gonna break it.
Yeah, he wants to be a jerk off.
When the door's already open.
Trying to show
Don't
off.
think that. There goes your insurance.
Yeah.
I just fucking missed the right time. You're fucking weak, bro.
Break it.
You're fucking
God,
weak,
no.
bro. Come on.
He's sweet.
Yo, I don't want him back in here though. He's gonna be that.
Hell no.
No,
He's not coming nowhere over
He's
here.
not doing anything to us, but he's just being weird. He's a fucking
He's showing off.
guy.
Showing off.
He got it.
Yeah! Rock on! Jerk off.
Come on, I can't believe every time I stop recording, I always miss the fucking smash.
Oh no, you gotta keep that shit going. You don't know what's coming up next.
Fucking scores.